Hi, in this video we'll try to see how to run PIP install on Python installation on Windows 11. So let's get started. I'm assuming as for now you have not installed Python in your system, and if you have installed Python on your system, I would highly recommend to uninstall that one before proceeding with this video. We don't want to mix up different versions of Python. So all you need to do to get started is head over first of all in your browser to python.org and select the Python version that you wish to install. The first step is definitely starting with installation. So I'll go to downloads. The current download or the current specific stable release is Python 3.7 or 3.9. However, it doesn't matter even if you use the latest one, that is Python 3.11. If you are unsure, then go for the latest stable version button that is shown on the web page over here. So I'll just click on download Python 3.11.4. It will start the installation, and then simply go to the installation and run it. Now I'll run the Python installation over here. Now please pay attention closely to these steps. This is very important. So first of all, you need to not go with direct install now, but instead go to custom installation. Make sure that all of these things are checked. So documentation, then pip should be tick marked, then all these other things as well. Go back again and then click over here, add python.exe to path. Unless you add it to path, your Python commands will not directly work from command prompt. So just make sure this one, and now go to custom installation and now go to next. So first step is click here, then go to custom installation, make sure everything is check marked and simply click on next. Now here on this window, I will select install Python 3.11 for all users. So it chooses a generic location and I'll click on install. Now this will install Python 3.11.4 on your computer. Once the installation is completed, then you would be able to download the libraries using PIP install. Now I'll just try to select one library for PIP install, and then we can get started with seeing how to install it. So let me get it completed, the Python installation. So the Python is successful, the installation is successful. Now Python installation is completed. I want to install NumPy on my system. So NumPy is the library used for all the mathematical calculations, a lot of data science related things on Python. So let me open command prompt, cmd, and then all I need to do simply is to type in pip install NumPy. If you do have Python 2 installation in your system, which is unlikely these days, but if you do have it, either remove it, or if you want to use PIP along with that, or if you want to use Python 3 along with that, then simply convert your command into PIP 3 install NumPy. So for now, since it's already installed in the previous step, it will show me that the installation is already existing. So this is how you will use PIP 3 on Windows 11 system. Make sure to install the Python correctly and then go for it. Thank you for watching this video.